Hi guys, welcome. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and you're ready to see the cutest set of strawberry dies I have ever seen. So I'm playing with Spellbinders Large Die of the Month for August. This one is called Strawberry Patch, and there are 16 dies included in this lovely set. Let me hold this up closer to the camera so you can get an eyeful of the set. So it comes with this large piece here with some leaves and a place for you to put your strawberries. You get a basket, and then you get 3 different shapes of strawberries, and they have the outline die as well so that you can cut out a backing for the strawberries. You get a lot of different leaves, and these are fun because they're layering. Half of the leaves you can use a different color of cardstock on just to give it a fun touch of color and some dimension. So for today's card, I'm going to be using this large strawberry sprig. I cut it out with green cardstock and I backed it with some white cardstock just to make it a little more sturdy. And I'm going to put this down onto a piece of onyx black cardstock. I'm just adding little dabs of glue behind it using my Barely Arts precision glue. And then this fits just perfectly on an A2 sized card. I'm just going to put it on kind of diagonally so it fits within the borders of the black cardstock. I went ahead and cut out my strawberries with some poppy field red cardstock, which is a beautiful bright red. But I wanted to add a little bit of dimension or shading on these using some Distress Oxide ink, and this one is called Mahogany. This is just a simple little touch, but it adds a lot to the card. I'll add the ink to all 3 berries just along the right side of these. You can see how they cut out the cute little berry seeds. And then I can attach them to their backing, and I just cut that out with some white cardstock. I'll put little dabs of glue behind the red cardstock and then attach it to the white. And these are all different shapes. They're so cute. I like how they're all very original. I'll do this with the other 2 strawberries next. I don't know what it is about fruit die cuts that are so darn cute. Spellbinders recently released a set of lemon dies, and I just loved that set. And that set actually reminds me a lot of this one, where they have the layering pieces to it, where you layer half of the leaf with a different color, and that's what I'm doing next. I'm adding some fern cardstock over my Peridot cardstock, and it adds a little bit of shading to it, very fast and easy shading, but it just adds a lot of interest to this card. This makes up a great summertime card, or even a springtime card. I'm going to pop up the berries with some foam squares, and I'll attach them to the little vines. My sentiment comes from the Small Die of the Month club kit from August, and it's called Outlined Sentiments. And I cut out the hello using more of the poppy red cardstock. This 3rd berry I'm just going to glue down flat on the leaves. This set also comes with cute little strawberry flowers, and I cut them out using some white cardstock. I'll go ahead and attach those next. The centers I cut out with black cardstock. I wanted a kind of a simple color palette for this card. Usually I think I would cut them out with yellow, but I just wanted the colors to be black, white, red, and green. I'll glue these down flat. I'm just going to be attaching 3 of these. I think that the black cardstock behind these strawberries really make them pop. I really loved this look. So I'll add the 3rd flower in just a minute, but I wanted to place some of the little strawberry leaves on top of the berries. I'll just start adding these. Some of them will be hanging down and some of them will be popped up a little bit. The die cuts out 6 of these leaves at a time, and I love that. You don't have to keep cutting out the same die over and over and over. And I cut this out with more of the dark fern cardstock. You can also cut out 4 of the strawberry flowers at a time, which is really nice. It's a very well thought out set. I'm going to have to make a card with the cute basket as well. That looks like so much fun to play with. Okay, let's go ahead and put the 3rd flower down on this leaf. And the little black center. Sometimes it's handy to use a pickup tool for these teeny tiny pieces. And this flower I didn't glue down yet. I'm just going to glue it right on top of this vine. Okay, so some of the leaves I'm going to put or kind of tuck behind the berries. And then I'm going to keep adding leaves to these berries. They just seemed like they needed more up at the top. This is a very simple composition, but the dies just allow you to make up some very fast and easy cards with just a lovely results. As always, I'll link this die set in the description box in case you want to check it out. And if you're already a subscriber, I know you're going to have a lot of fun with this beautiful set. The Hello die, I'm just going to glue down flat. It just tucks perfectly under these 2 berries, this empty space here. I will add a few red gems around this panel, and I do come in with a white gel pen. You'll see that on the finished card at the end of this video. But here it is all done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this close-up look at the Large Die of the Month Club Kit for August 2022. Have a wonderful crafty day, my friends. I'll be back again really soon with another card crafting video. Take care. Bye.